Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the original photo in the Lightroom. If you are wondering how to see the original photo while you are editing the same photo and you want to compare it, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Next, edit the photo however you want to edit it and to compare the photo to the original one. Now, to see the original photo after you have just edited, simply keep on tapping the photo just like this. Finally, here you can see the original photo of the edited photo. And that's it. This is how you can see the original photo in the Lightroom app. It is very simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.